Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so my name is Dale, and if you've been watching my videos lately, I've been talking about my experience in Africa. I was born in Jamaica. I lived in America for a couple of years, over 30 years. Then I decided, you know what? I want to know what Africa has to offer because of Bob Marley, because of Marcus Garvey, because of Peter Tosh, and all the other reggae singers. So I went to Africa in 2020, built a property in Africa, bought some land. Some I use for agriculture, some is just sitting there until I'm ready for it. And I also built a guest house in Africa. Now I'm in America visiting my family, and I thought I'd share some of my experience that I've had in Africa. So I arrived in Africa on January 1st, 2020. It was nighttime. Got picked up by the driver, went to the hotel, slept, then woke up the following morning. I was on my business. I went to the land that I had bought while I was in America to look at it, to get a visual of it. I was pleased with what I saw, and one day in the future I ended up building a guest house on that land. I bought another piece of land that I use for my gardening. That's where I plant my jackfruit, my ackee, my guava, my mango, my coconut, my sweet potato, my cassava. That land is just for gardening. And then I have another piece of land that is just there until I'm ready to use it. So I wanted to make sure that I had my business straightened out before I started visiting guest hotspots of Africa, partying and all that other things. So I'll get back to that at a later time, because whenever you go to a new place, you always want to know who are the people that are at that place. What are their customs? What are their social norms? And how can you do business with them? Because when you go to Africa, you may say, I'm going to set up a restaurant and I'm going to sell food to my fellow Americans or my fellow British or my fellow Jamaicans. But the truth is, there's not enough people, especially in Gambia, of Jamaicans, Americans, British, who will be able to support your business. So the smartest thing to do is to observe the people that are already living there and figuring out how you can serve those people, and that's how you are able to get sources of income. So there are 6 or 7 major tribes in Gambia, and if you know these tribes, you'll be able to trade with them. So the first tribe I want to talk about real quickly is the Mandinka tribe. The Mandinka tribe, everybody has watched Kunta Kinte on The Roots. Kunta Kinte was from the Mandinka tribe. He's a Mandinka warrior. The Mandinkas are known for agriculture. They are known as great warriors. And if you want to be on the good side of a Mandinka, just sit down on any given day and just listen to him talk. Mandinkas like to talk, especially about their history, about their culture, about their tradition. And if you are appreciative of that, then you're always welcome in a Mandinka home. The second tribe I want to talk about is the Fula tribe, or the Fulani tribe. These tribes are all across Africa. They are known to be great cattlemen. They invest in cows, in goats, in sheep. So when you're on the road in Africa, you see about 50 or 100 cows. More than likely the owner for those animals is a Fula or a Fulani. Next tribe is the Wolof tribe. The Wolof tribe, they are excellent tradespeople. The language that they speak, Wolof, is the language of choice for trading in West Africa. And these people are usually tall in stature, dark complexion, and very, very skilled business people. Next up is the Jola tribe. The Jolas are known to be good at tapping the palm tree for for wine. They are very organized group of people, and they're very deep. They have very deep roots among themselves, and they're also good at medicinal herbs. And the legend has it that however way you treat a Jola, that's the way that Jola will treat you. So if you treat that Jola with sincerity, then chances are that Jola will show you the same respect with sincerity. If you want to war with the Jola, then he will war with you, and it will just never end. That's the Jola tribe. I don't want to keep this video too long, so I'll end it here. Next, we'll talk about the Serahule, the Serer, the Manjagos, which is a Christian tribe, and we'll also talk about the do's and the don'ts of business when you're in Africa. If you enjoy this video, let me know. If you have a question, put it in the comments so I can talk about it in my future videos. Like, I'm going to be talking about security and crime and all that stuff also in my future videos. So until next time, live the life that you love and love the life that you live. Peace.